Alright, here is part 2 of another Concord 52-inch ceiling fan here at my grandma's house. This one's in the bedroom and the other one was in the computer room. I forgot to mention that anyway. It's the same fan except just different room. Anyway, go ahead and, oops. Yes, the switch is already up. I didn't know that. Start with low. There we go. Very nice. Pretty quiet. Same as the other one. Alright, that's low. Here's medium. That's medium. Get over here. There we go. Just for the heck of it, I'm gonna hold the thing. Actually, I'm just gonna let the string go. I don't want to break it. That sounds like a helicopter. There's medium. Alright, now we're going to turn it up to high. There's on high. Good. Oh, that feels good. Yeah, the mirror, man. There is the mirror. Look in the mirror, you see. Hey now, there's the fan. Alright. You know what? That sounds like a helicopter too, you know what? So put it back on medium. Alright, there you go. I'm gonna put it back on low. I'm done. Oops. There it is on low. Once again, look in the mirror, you see. Hey now. Actually the fan, sorry about that. Gonna turn it off now. Yeah, I'm only gonna video it pulling the air down because it's not on anymore. Alright. There you go, and this is another part 2. I'll try to make, I got 4 more things to do. If I can't get them out, I'll try to get them tomorrow anyway. I don't want to break them, so anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later. Until then, have a good night. Until then, that's it.